Privacy controls and camera status. This video explains the privacy controls available for HELIX I. These controls allow you to manage camera and audio functionality at any time. While viewing the live feed, access the camera settings within the app. Within the Settings menu, privacy-related options are available. If supported, the camera can be temporarily disabled. When disabled, video transmission will not operate. Audio controls can also be adjusted within the app. When audio is disabled, sound transmission is not active. The current status of camera and audio settings is visible within the interface. You can verify these settings at any time. HELIX I is designed to provide clear monitoring while allowing you to control privacy as needed. Refer to the user guide or contact support if additional assistance is required.